Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the League of Legends Vanguard Error Code VAN128. Are you trying to launch League of Legends and suddenly getting kicked out by this Vanguard error? Or are you stuck restarting your PC over and over with no success? Don't worry, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to fix it properly. First, press Alt, Control, and Delete on your keyboard and click on Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, carefully look for any Riot Games, League of Legends, VALORANT, or Vanguard-related processes. Right-click each one and select End Task. This makes sure nothing is interfering in the background, so don't skip this step. Next, close Task Manager, open the Start menu, type Run, and open it. In the Run box, type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down until you find the service called VGC. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Startup Type drop-down, choose Automatic, then click Apply and OK. After that, click Start to make sure the service is running properly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Ensure you're logged into a Windows Administrator account. Riot Client is fully closed. And your system isn't blocking Vanguard with antivirus or firewall software. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent common Vanguard errors. Now, open the Start menu again, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the Vanguard service commands exactly as shown on screen, pressing Enter after each one. These commands help reset and properly start the Vanguard service without reinstalling everything. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer. After rebooting, open the Riot Client and launch League of Legends. You should now be able to enter the game without seeing the VAN128 error. It's also a good idea to keep Windows updated. This helps Vanguard stay compatible and avoids future issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the League of Legends Vanguard VAN128 error without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?